You guys, it's that time of year again. It's time to take off my biggest look of the year. The Heat Miser Snow Miser, of course. If something that I say doesn't make sense, please forgive me. It's almost 2 a.m. and I started this look at 6 p.m., right? Okay. Anyways, I feel like I missed some clips for some videos, but I can't have this on a second longer. Let's start with a little spikes on my shoulders, because they've been making my back movement difficult. There's still latex there. I'm so tired, I can't even feel pain, guys. Ready? Straight face. Now to the face. 2 at a time? That was too much. I wonder if these ones will come off without taking the bald cap off. The answer is yes. Okay, I'll try to take these off, but... Oh yeah, that's the whole bald cap. I mean... I made it work. Looking so cute, I know. Let's do the bald cap. Oh, it ripped? How? Literally straight down the middle. Can't forget the falsies. Oh my god, I also just remembered that I have rocks glued all over my face. I do think they look really cool, but oh my god, they're so annoying to take off. Just the final stretch left now. You guys know I can't leave you without the nightmare fuel. So cute, I know. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? It is time to take this off again. This is the third part to my Zodiac series, and this is Aquarius. I was going for a bit of that drowned mermaid look with all the barnacles on my face. Hope you like it. But it can't stay on my face for that long, so we gotta take it off. Bye-bye, barnacle boy. Ooh. Damn, my skin is red. Ooh. Who's this? Not me. Ooh. Bye-bye. Like that. The saddest part is always taking the lashes off, though. No more contacts. Gotta clean my face. My eyes are stained blue. Oh well, let's take the hair out. Wow, my hair's not purple anymore. Just kidding, it's purple. And that's it. And as always, I will post the tutorial and all the products I used on my YouTube. Have a great day, you guys.
This is 100 layers of peel-off lip stain, and I'm gonna be taking it off, or attempting to. Well, I guess we just start with, just trying to peel it off. Alright, look at that. It's working. Wow. No, I'm definitely gonna be stained. I just hope that I can get it out of my teeth. Alright, let's attempt to peel the bottom. Okay, we got, a chunk. We got, half of it. Maybe if I start from the other side. It looks like a Swedish fish. Now, what do we do about this? Okay. Look at my hands right now. This is not going well. What do I do now? I'm gonna try cleansing balm. Look at my teeth. Okay, wait, it might be working. No, it might be working. Let's give it a wipe. Low-key, why do my teeth look whiter? This is bad. This is really bad. I have a date later. It stained so bad. How do I get this off? I'm gonna try some micellar water. That didn't help. Guys, what do I do? Cleanser. This is the best we're gonna do. If you have any other suggestions, let me know.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? It's time to take this off again. I don't know why I always film videos in the middle of the night, but everyone in my house is asleep, so I need to be quiet. I'm not very good at being quiet. I also can't see what I'm doing. Where's the edge? Ah, yes, there it is. I feel no pain. Now this side. The hard part is done. Now we just gotta take the lashes off. And now the rest of this beauty has got to go. As I was taking this off, I realized there's still latex on my chin. How did I not notice it earlier? But no, there's more. I think that was the last part. Is my makeup off? I can't see. Someone help. Guys, I've done it again. I did something weird. And that can only mean one thing, and that it is time to take this off again. There's air dry clay on my face, so I want to breathe once again, and I want to take it off. Okay, so ready? This is probably gonna be ASMR-ish. Oh my god. So cute. There's paint in my teeth too. Okay, the hat. Oh my god. That was a pretty quick removal. Oh my god. Now just the paint's left. Nightmare fuel. Now I'm gonna go shower.
Take off my makeup with me. Handsome Squidward edition. Alright, I'm gonna start with the bald cap. Oh gosh. Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get this chin off without remover. Ah! Part of it! Ah! Oh my god, that hurts so bad! I used some Spirit gum remover. I can't. I literally can't. My skin is literally burning. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna go shower. Take off my makeup with me. Handsome Squidward edition. Alright, I'm gonna start with the bald cap. Oh gosh. Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get this chin off without remover. Ah! Part of it! Ah! Oh my god, that hurts so bad! I used some Spirit gum remover. I can't. I literally can't. My skin is literally burning. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna go shower. Ah! Part of it! Ah!
Well, hello there, little freaks. It's time to take this off again. Y'all know the drill. I'm gonna take my contacts off first because I can't see. Much better. Oh, and if you guys didn't know, this makeup look is a part of my 7-part series for the 7 deadly sins. This is gluttony. I hope I said that right. Now for the good stuff. Lovely. I'm actually kind of proud of this one though. I'm gonna go wash my face. I'll be right back. And there we go. If you guys have questions about the products I used or just want to see the full tutorial, go ahead and click the link in my profile. Oh, and one more thing. Have a great day. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? You already know what time it is? It is time to take this off again. This is the second part to my Zodiac series, and this is Sagittarius. Did I say that right? I did not say that right. Anyways, time for the good stuff. Oh, that didn't go as expected. Let's do that again. Okay, better. There we go. Nice. There we go. And the last one. Oh, that one's in my hair. But I do be like that sometimes. I got this though. Come on. It's out. Gotta take the rest of this off. And that is all. And as always, the tutorial and all the products I used will be in my YouTube. Have a great day, you guys. Alright, you guys, it's time to take this off again, and I really don't want to because I really like this look. Send help. I'm living for the rhinestone lips, though. Can I take them off all at once? No. You know, I was hoping at least the removal would be satisfying. But no, there's no redemption for this look. I almost ate a rhinestone. You know what they say, when life gives you lemons, you make fashion. And eat rhinestones, apparently. I'm gonna cry. Okay, no kidding though, I had this wig on for literally the whole day and I don't remember what my natural hair looks like. I am really not happy about this, not happy at all, but oh well. I literally look like a clown right now. Who knew there was such a thin line between the runway and the circus? I am no longer high fashion, let's take off the wig. Oh boy. It's stuck. It's a sign, I don't need to take it off. It's so funny though, I hated the wig when I put it on and then I fell in love with it. Okay, I low-key forgot how good my hair looks. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? You already know what time it is. It is time to take this off again. I'm actually pretty happy with how this turned out. So, like, if any zombie movies need, like, a zombie, y'all know who to call. I, like, do want to take it off, but I also kind of don't. Oh, I hate wax so much. Alright, no, there's latex somewhere in there. There we go. Nice. I'm sorry. This is my new look. Going to work like this tomorrow. Get ready. Just kidding. I would get fired. Whoop. This should be nice. Never mind. All right, there's a big piece right here. This is literally why I hate wax. It just does not come off. I will also be posting a tutorial on this look on my YouTube at some point. So check that out if you want. No pressure. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh yes, baby, it's time to take this off again. I haven't done anything with latex for so long it feels weird. Oh boy. A nice long one here. Come on! Oh, there we go. I was trying so hard to not get this into my eyebrows. Nice. Oh. But that's not it. We got these ones too. Ah! Boom. That's it. Now I need to go wash my face. All clean now. I will be posting a tutorial for this look on my YouTube, so feel free to check it out. Have a great day, you guys! Well, hey, what's up, you guys? Guess what time it is? It is time to take this off again. I'm embarrassed to admit how long this look took me, but nevertheless, let's dig in. Ha! Get the reference? Let's start off easy with just the headpieces. I was gonna film this look last night, but all of these props took me so long to make that I was too tired. I love the look of like 3D wires, but time to take them off. This baby one. And there's a whole bunch in here. Oh. I'm kind of shocked by how little latex I used in this look. But of course, I can't leave you guys without nightmare fuel. Looking so cute and so fresh. I don't know why I said that. Also, I forgot I had an eye in here. Where's the edge? Wait. I can't find the edge of the tape. I'm like scared to poke my eye with my long nail. Guys, I found it. I found it. Oh. Well, I feel like this is a look in itself. I'm already running late for an event that I have to be at tonight, so I'm gonna go wash my face. All clean. A little red though, but clean. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? It is time to take this off again. Contacts are off and I can see. Now for the fun stuff. Ah. Whoop. This took way too long to put on. God, how do I take this off? Come on. I don't think there's a satisfying way for me to take these things off. Like, They're all off. I'm gonna go wash my face now. Damn, who is she? This look is a part of my 7 Deadly Sins series, and this was Hey there, you little freaks. It's time to take this off again. I have to whisper because everyone's asleep. Also, while filming the previous TikTok, I somehow got all of this on my carpet and even my poor stuffed animal. I don't know how I'm gonna clean it off, but let's not think about that. Let's take this off. This is great. I'm enjoying this very much. I actually am. I look like Squidward. Ugh, I wish I could never. My favorite part. Alright guys, you go have a great day, and I'm gonna go shower and clean off the carpet before my mom sees it. Please pray for me, it's not coming off.
Tiptoe by the window, that is where I'll be. Come tiptoe through the tulips with me. Oh!
This is why you should always watch videos to the end. In 2003, a woman came home to her apartment to see that her door was unlocked. She went inside, nothing was missing, so she assumed she must have left it open. When it happened a few more times, but still nothing was missing in her apartment, she went out and got a camera, set it up in her apartment, aimed at the front door. The next day, her door was unlocked, so she reviewed the footage. She watches in horror as late in the night, her front door opens and in walks this tall, creepy man who looks around and then walks towards her bedroom off camera. She immediately sprints out of her apartment and calls the police, who show up and tell her to go back in her apartment and just try to stay calm, and that they would put an officer right outside her door so she's safe. As she's sitting on the bed, totally traumatized, she realizes something. She only saw him enter her apartment on that video. She doesn't know if he actually left. As she's sitting there, she feels breathing on her ankles. She runs out, the cop comes in, and he finds the tall, creepy man under the bed holding a knife and a camera.